So what's the show about? It's about two of my passions, sales and cigars.
I think one of the reasons that the return on time needs to be part of that decision-making process and needs to be part of one of the reasons that I have it as part of that framework is because to say to someone, hey, an hour a week and this is what'll happen, many times a sales leader, an entrepreneur, what have you, will be like, yep, hour a week, cool, I can fit that into my schedule. But it's that over the time horizon perspective of an hour a week for the entire year. And oh, by the way, after that year is done, that's probably continuing in year 2 and year 3, or someone is moving into that spot. You're training someone to move into that spot and continue that process.
Hey, thanks for listening to the Sales and Cigars podcast powered by Helix Sales Development. Are you an entrepreneur or CEO who's motivated to grow your business? Maybe you want to double or even triple your revenue? Then I think you might be in the right spot. See, Helix sponsors the podcast because I want to help entrepreneurs and sales leaders who are driven to grow their revenue. Maybe you're struggling to attract and retain the best sales talent out there, or you're just pissed off because the revenue forecast is never right. I can help you fix the hidden reasons the sales talent is elusive and the revenue forecast is wrong. You can grab my book at the link below. It'll help you understand how I think about these problems, or just schedule a quick phone call with me and we can talk about your unique situation. Either way, happy to help and would enjoy a business conversation with you. Thanks.